The Brinc Lemur S is an indoor tactical drone for law enforcement, fire, search and rescue, and hazmat response teams. This drone was flown during the Atlanta chapter party of AUVSI for XPonential 2021 outside and inside the Steady Hand Beer Company brewery. SPO James Cunningham of the Atlanta Police Department and Angad Singh demonstrated the capabilities of this drone. The first thing they showcased was the ability of the drone to flip itself over if it gets upside down with its patented turtle mode technology, and then it would be able to continue on its mission. The Brinc Lemur S is designed to operate in challenging interior environments and can be equipped with a numerous proprietary technologies such as the glass breaking mode. Unfortunately, the glass breaking mode did not quite work as advertised when the drone caused the glass panel to vibrate forward and break in the Steady Hand asphalt parking lot. Now this drone has the ability to go into a 10-hour perch time, which means it can be operational at idle for up to 10 hours on a single battery. It has powerful two-way communication systems for real-time audio communications, and it has the ability to listen up to 100 feet away. The drone cost $8,999, and it does have the additional cost of training at $2,499 for up to 4 officers.